Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install an SEO-friendly sitemap for e-commerce sites, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your e-commerce website's admin dashboard. Navigate to the settings or plugins section, depending on your platform. If you are using WordPress, install an SEO plugin that supports sitemaps, like Yoast SEO or Rank Math. For Shopify, check if your theme generates a sitemap automatically. Access the plugin settings once installed. Locate the sitemap settings within the plugin interface. Enable the sitemap feature if it is not already activated. Customize your sitemap settings according to your preferences. Choose whether to include product pages, category pages, and blog posts in the sitemap. For non-WordPress sites, use an online sitemap generator if your platform does not support sitemap. Input your website URL into the generator and select the desired options. Download the generated XML sitemap file. If you generated a file, upload it to your website's root directory. For platforms like Shopify, note the automatically generated sitemap URL, typically located at yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. Once your sitemap is ready, verify its accuracy using Google Search Console. Log into your Google Search Console account. Select your website property from the dashboard. Navigate to the Sitemap section in the left sidebar. Enter your sitemap URL in the provided field. Click on the Submit button. Wait for Google to crawl your sitemap and check for any errors. Monitor your sitemap status periodically to ensure it's functioning correctly. Regularly update your sitemap to include new products or pages. This will help search engines crawl and index your site more effectively. Ensure your sitemap adheres to SEO best practices for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.